So, here kami again sa Vietnam with the ugly boy and my sister, Travis. So, bababa na kami kasi pupunta kami ng D1. We're going to D1 today sa Japanese town.
Yeah.
I think my mic is on, bro.
Yeah, it's on. Yeah.
It's working.
Japanese town, Häagen-Dazs, and then lunch.
Häagen-Dazs.
So, your mama.
Yan. Japanese town, Häagen-Dazs, tsaka lunch.
So, this is my outfit.
Hey.
Magja-jacket pa sana ako, kaya lang mainito sa labas.
No,
pawis na pawis
just
naman
the-
ako.
The back.
Pero dapat talaga naka-jacket.
Should be me showing my outfit as well.
Okay.
This is my outfit. Yeah. Then the back. Yeah. So I
Hello? So, is my mic still on? Oh no. Yeah, it's still on. So, dito kami ngayon sa bus going to sa pupunta. Tao Yen. Pupunta kami sa Tao Yen because we are going to Japanese town. Because you know, I'm a Japanese. So, dito kami ngayon sa metro. Nakababa lang namin sa bus.
Maybe I need the ATM.
So, wait. I'm gonna show you the metro. Bagong ano kasi ito, bagong bukas dito sa Vietnam. As you can see, ito yung kanilang metro. Bagong bukas to, kaya medyo yung iba hindi pa gawa. Hi guys, so we are still going to Japanese town. So from Metro's train station, bumaba kami ng Opera House. Then from there, naglakad na kami. 11 minutes walk. So see you guys! Sobrang init ngayon. So buti hindi tayo nag-jacket. Right?
Yeah.
What?
Tanong ina, di pa matatapos ang buong 14 days na trip, puno na yung storage mo.
Can you just shut up, ha? I don't want any comments from you because I don't give comments on your personal life. So don't give comments about mine.
Don't make comments about me. I don't make comments about
So, yeah. Hi guys! So finally, we are here in Japanese town. Yan. Nasa likod ko, yan ang entrance papasok ng Japanese town.
Wala kami.
Welcome to Japanese town.
please. I don't want to enter. Oh no, no.
You became Japanese.
Oh, maybe you like to
Just like I want to exit.
Ayaw maghanap mo ulit sa pagkain kasi
Oh, yes. Ayun pala, nakakailan pala yung fish dun sa market kanina. Ay, kahapon. Damn right, today. Damn right. Damn right. Damn right. So we are still at Japanese town. Wow! So hi guys, tapos na kami dito sa Japanese Town. Babalik na kami sa Saigon Center kasi parang uulan. Medyo makulimlim na. So magbubook na kami ng Grab papunta ng Saigon Center. Bye! So dito na kami sa Vincom Center. Here in Saigon District 1. It's a mall. So lagi kami dito pumupunta whenever we want to eat. Kasi maraming ano dito eh, samgyupan. So dito kami lagi nagsasamgyu. Later, I will show you ang aming kakainan. Okay? Okay lang ba yun? Or ayaw nyo makita? Can you just... Grabe, parang walang naniniwala sa akin. We're here na sa Meet and Eat. So this is a samgyeopsal place. Let's eat na. We're gonna eat. We're done eating na sa Meet and Meet. And super busog na busog ako. And ang dami kong kinain. It's actually 189,000 lang. 189,000 dong per person. It's a samgyeopsal buffet. So ikaw pipili ng meat na gusto mo. Ikaw kukuha ng mga side dishes mo. Bigyan natin to ng 5-star kasi sobrang sarap and very affordable. So dito yan sa Saigon Center and I think marami silang branches eh. Pero dito lang talaga kami lagi kumakain. So, time to go home! Bye! Good morning everyone! So, punta kami ng Co-op Extra. It's just beside the house. Because we're gonna buy some vegetables for lunch. Bili kami for lunch kasi bumili kami kahapon sa market ng fish. So, magpa-fried fish kami. Kulang na lang namin is gulay. So, we are going out again.
Video na naman dito.
Oh, galit na galit? Galit na galit ka pa nag-video ko. Bakit ka pa nang galit?
See, you're just walking here every day. You're always taking video here. Isang pangit ng mukha mo. Papansin ka pag ginamit mo pa yung gusto mo pa. Pag nakasalamin ako, nakasalamin ka din. Kaya wala kasi pumapansin sa'yo kapag di mo ako pinapansin eh.
So, maghanap tayo ng gulay na iti-tire na natin dun sa fried tuna na lulutuin natin. Nakalimutan ko mag-video pero nakabili na kami ng vegetable. Ang binili namin is talong. This is our vlog. And his mom. Punta kami ngayon sa mag-archery kami today. This is my outfit. Sweet girl ang atake natin today. Kasi mag-archery kami. What's your outfit? Can you see? Wow. So let's go. Okay, nakababa na kami sa bus. Now we are gonna walk papunta dun sa archery. Kasi 9 minutes walk lang naman siya. Right? Ano na outfit mo?
Pwede naman yung Korean look na sa likod.
Yeah. Siyempre, anong atake ko ngayon eh? Korean.
A sweet girl.
Yeah, sweet girl ng study group. No.
Doesn't want to.
He always doesn't want.
Yeah, why?
Oh, it's Diamond Plaza. Ay. Kaya saan tayo? Diretso lang? Oh yeah, we just go straight daw. Ah, yan pala yung ano yung tawag dyan? Cathedral ba? Oh! What happened? Oh my God! Zero. Dito na kami sa archery. Hindi yun 9 minutes walk kasi nagpicture pa kami dun sa ano. Meron kasing magandang area dun para siyang Europe vibe. So nagpicture kami dun. Kaya natagalan kami. Nasira yung pants niya. What happened to your pants?
It's okay. It's design tag.
It's okay. So this is the entrance. Oo, ako din naiingat ako. Kanina pa kaya ako sa bus. Second floor sabi mo.
Ganda na to.
Wow.
Gusto ko to. Gusto ko ng ganyan picture eh. Parang stone. Ito magawa eh.
Ano kasi pag mga artista?
Iniimit ka.
So aakyat na kami sa second floor because the archery is at second floor. So this is my first time doing archery. Nirequest ko talaga to kay ate kasi nag-archery na siya dati. Sabi ko gusto ko rin matry kasi yung parang feeling ng Katniss Everdeen. Katniss Everdeen ang peg natin ngayon.
Zumba to.
Zumba to. Zumba. So mag-zumba muna ako. Ask mo si ano, Kuya Guard sa baba.
May Kuya Guard sa baba, so you have to ask him.
Ayan, nilid na kami ni Kuya Guard. Second floor pa rin. Ay, hindi pala siya second floor. See? It's a prank. Ayan siya. Taray, daming motor dito ah. Saan daw? Akit pa? Okay. So, akitin natin itong mataas nito. Sa pinakaliblib pala talaga ang archery. Ay, hindi! Nasa rooftop na tayo. What the hell? Okay, wait lang. Mamaya na lang. Guys, totoo na to. Ito na ang archery. Let's go inside. So, kaya halos na libot na namin yung buong place. Hindi pa namin nakita yung archery. Oh. So, ito na siya. So, maraming tao today. Waiting muna kami. For 5 minutes daw ba? For 5 minutes. Bago kami. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. This is my first time doing archery. So, I'll update you later. Hi, so we're gonna try na.
Alright, open your right eye. Listen, your right hand, in here. Right. Open.
We are done. Ang hirap pala niya, pero masaya. Ang hirap niya, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Ang hirap niya, pero masaya. Baka madumi. Ay, mo baby. Sobrang hirap niya, pero ang saya. It's worth trying. Anong score ko? Can I see what's my score? Okay. So let's check who will be the loser. Okay, so we are done. Grabe, sobrang hirap niya pero nag-enjoy kami. And di namin alam kung sinong panalo. Sino ba nanalo, baby? Wala pang scoring pero bibilangin namin yung score namin. So, ang saya niya. First time namin and it's so fun.
Yeah.
Hi everyone! Dapat dito kami kakain sa Bokhogan. Pero it's closed pa. Here. Hindi pa siya mag-open. Sayang, it's a Michelin star pa naman. But I don't know if we are going to wait. Maghintay ba tayo? 1 PM pa lang. So, 1 hour pa. So, kakain kami muna dito sa Tartine Saigon. This is a pizza place. Kakain muna kami dito ng very light para bumalik kami ulit dun sa Bokhogan. Kasi 2 PM pa siya nag-open. So, kain muna kami dito ng very light.
Guided na lang ulit sa Bokhogan. Wait na lang muna sa Cafe Tartine.
So, we're back here. So, kanina kumain lang kami dun sa...
Bibibak man.
Ay, kumain lang kami ng very light dun sa pizza place. Ang sarap dun actually. And mura lang din. So, ngayon, dito na kami ulit sa Bokhogan. So, let's eat them.
Oh my God! Yes, thank you so much! Ayan na siya.
Dapat yan na lang sa akin.
Grabe! Sobrang sarap niya! Ito yata yung...
Ay, yung tendon ng dalawa.
No, this is the beef rib. Yung tendon is this parang adobo.
Hindi, ayan yun.
Tendon.
Ayan tayong dalawa yan.
Okay.
Ayun yung ribs ay may butong malaki.
Kaya tendon, kahit hindi na kami ito, this is worth it. Talaga.
Share muna. It's time. And
Okay, eating time na kami. We're gonna try. Oh my God, ang sarap!
wow. Sarap.
The meat melts in your
Wow.
mouth. Sobrang.
Oh my gosh, masarap. Hindi kayo ka-cut-call ng ano.
I was thinking of your word. You won't regret it. Hindi niyang mag-recommend ng food. Yeah!
Sarap, pasabog. Kailangan nyo ba ng meat? Ito na lang ang pag-meat ko.
Ito province. Hindi mo siya.
Yan, so tapos na kaming kumain. Siyempre, sobrang busog, sobrang sarap ng food namin. Yung isang order ng short ribs, beef ribs plus clay pot rice is 130k kasi yung beef, tapos 15 yung clay pot. So, 150. Tama ba? Yay! 150. That's 150,000 dong. Pag nag-visit kayo dito sa Vietnam, don't forget na puntahan tong store na to. Kasi sobrang sarap and affordable. Dito lang yan sa District 10. District 10. Name is Bokhogan. Bokhogan. So, yun. So, pupunta naman kami sa Meow Meow Cafe. I don't know if it's Meow Meow Cafe, pero it's a cat coffee. Ay, cat coffee. What? Cat cafe. Kasi they have cats there, but it's just a cafe. Grabe, so pinawisan ako kasi ang anghang nung kinain ko. Tapos nilagyan ko pa ng hot sauce and all. Tapos alam niyo naman, I love spicy food. Pero sobrang anghang mo.
Alam niyo naman.
Talaga. Grabe ka naman. Sobrang basher mo naman sa akin. See you! Kababa lang namin ng Grab. Then we're going to Meow Meow Cat. Oh na.
Ito ba nagagalit?
You're not sending me all the pictures. I'm telling you. I'm asking
you. Hindi ko nga narinig kanina. Nag-edit ako
okay, no na. I'm gonna send my own. I'm gonna take my own picture. Ha? Kala mo, oh.
Hindi ko nakala mo naman magkahiwalay tayo.
There. Oh my God. There's the big cat. Wow. are there. Drinks and snacks. Okay, so we're going up na. So dun sa entrance, kailangan mo bumili ng ticket. And then, iwan mo yung bags mo dun sa locker and also your shoes. Ay! Automatic door pa. It's automatic door. Hurry, hold it. Yes, medyo nagtatawa. Okay, touch. Yeah, the green.
Yung gray one. May video ko dun.
You're still hungry. Paano sila hawakan? Parang gusto ko rin sila hawakan. Pero, scared din ako. How about this?
So, hawak.
Hi! Nakauwi na kami. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina kasi nalobat na yung phone ko. Yung last na pinuntahan namin is yung Meow Meow Cafe. That's Cat Cafe. It's 99,000 dong. Kasama na lahat. Meron ng drinks, meron na ring snacks sa loob. So, 3 hours kayo pwede magstay doon. Nakalimutan ko magdala ng charger kaya hindi ako nakapag-charge. Namatay tuloy yung phone ko. Tomorrow na lang ulit. Grabe, sobrang nakakapagod. Pero masaya. So, bye-bye!